What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to do a little harvest in the garden, and it's much overdue, but I wanted to give you guys a little tour of our urban summer garden. So come on. All right, so this is just a few things that I pulled earlier today, but check it out. We have some cherry tomatoes here. We got cantaloupes that are trying to make it. This guy here, I believe, is some cucumbers. I don't know, that's unmarked. It's just kind of one of the seeds that we started not thinking it was really gonna make it. We have some little sunflowers. I just planted some lettuce and stuff in here. We have a few flowers mixed in just to bring pollinators and stuff, but it's a wild sunflower, and some more flowers over here. But over here we have our cherry tomatoes that are starting to come up. Lots and lots of tomatoes. We have, this is a watermelon, and we have some more squashes, more tomatoes, lots more tomatoes. Over here we have zucchini, and I need to pull this guy off right now. We have pumpkin right here and acorn squash. We got some snap peas and Oregon snow peas that are delicious. So I'm gonna start pulling some stuff off here. Look at the color of that. That's beautiful. Get some of these tomatoes. This guy right here is definitely ready. Look at that. I think it grew on the cage kind of a little bit, so it separated them, but that's one. Now it's two tomatoes. That is so cool. I'm gonna pull off that. Zucchini there. Look at that, that's beautiful. And come over here, we'll show you the other side. We have some more watermelon. These are some romaine that we're letting go to seed. We tried to keep all of our seeds and replant them, so we're planting from our own seeds. Some more sunflowers. These guys aren't doing super well. I think they got overwatered, so the fruit is really just not making it all the way. I don't know if it's from not getting pollinated correctly or overwatering. If you guys know what's going on here, please drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your ideas and try to figure that out, because we do want to get some acorn squash this year. So in these guys we have some corn, lemon cucumbers that didn't make it, and parsnips. And over here is pretty much the same thing. Corn on this side is doing a little better, starting to get some corn coming in, which is nice. The sun really starts to change this time of year and doesn't get a whole lot of sun over here, so we're working with the sun that we have. We have carrots over here. And we have beets back here. Just planted some more peas Back here, we have multiple basils. I think it's the chef's trio. Some more tomatoes, more peas back here. These are a couple of bell peppers that I'm starting for when our big bell pepper plant is finished. But I'm gonna harvest this huge Armenian sweet cucumber. That's ready to come off, and that thing is heavy. So this is our Armenian cucumber plant, and it comes and grows all over here. Got a little out of control when we were in Sedona, and still kind of learning how to prune these guys correctly. But yeah, there's multiple vines and got a little carried away. We have some more tomatoes here. We have our Big Bertha bell peppers. Even more tomatoes. We have some more bell peppers starting down here. Green onions back here. Carrots. Lots of carrots over here as well. We have sage, more basil. We have rosemary, some mint, and some more pollinators shooting up to try to bring the pollinators in the yard. And over here we have our lettuce, more peas over here, and we got some more romaine that should be sprouting up soon. A little spinach plant that's trying to make it over here, and our beautiful eggplant that are starting to come in. And we are going to pull a bell pepper off. I believe this guy needs to come off. And yeah, so I wanted to give you guys a little tour of the garden and show you that it is possible to grow your own food. This is all organic. Everything we do here is organic. So we are producing our own produce, organic produce, in our little tiny backyard in California. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell. I will be putting out some more gardening videos, and as you guys know, I'm still learning, so if you have any advice for me, drop a comment below. Would love to hear it. Thanks. Not bad for a day's harvest. We have Armenian sweet cucumber, zucchini, some fresh sage, 2 different types of tomatoes here, bell pepper, we have some basil, some carrots, some sugar snap peas and Oregon snow peas, and we have a little dill and some rosemary.